They are lying to you about sourcing. They are not giving you all the information. And in today's video, I'm going to expose my exact sourcing process, what I do every single day to source products for my Amazon FBA business, and what made me a six-figure or multiple six-figure sellers going towards seven figures, okay? No bullshit. This is the exact thing that I do. This is the exact resources that I'm using, and I'm sharing all this with you today. And I actually have a gift for you. Not a gift, but I'm starting something that is going to help you a lot, because you guys know I started hiring VA, and I'm going to let you guys hire my VA team for less than $1 a day to do what I'm doing exactly every single day. Okay, so let's get into the computer and let me show you all this. Before we do though, link in the description, join the Discord server. If you want to grow on Amazon, best way to do it, build a network, come in the Discord server, talk to people, answer people questions, ask questions, be active. Soon enough, you'll make some friends. Second thing, I offer one-on-one coaching and offer group mentorship, okay? More information for that, link in the description. There's a video that is going to explain everything, all that stuff to you. So let's start sourcing, because we're going to do some live sourcing today. It may take a little while. I'm going to talk a lot. And so, yeah, I don't know if how long it is going to be, but we are going to do some sourcing. So, by the way, this is the first thing that you should do when you start sourcing. Do not do all that bullshit that they tell you that if you're a beginner that you should do a lot of stuff and stocking, all that stuff. No, you should actually track deals, you should actually track sales to find profitable products. And this is what my VAs are doing for me. And my VA is actually currently working right now, and he is building me a list of deals that are currently going on right now online that we are going to source, okay? That me and my team are going to source. If you want to get this list, and I don't know why I click on Discord. If you want to get this list to your email inbox every single day with all the deals that I'm personally looking at, that me and my teams are looking at, if you want that list every single day with the website that you can scan manually, that you can look at manually, with the website that you can scan on Tactical Arbitrage and Tactical Expander, all the deals that we are looking at to find profitable leads daily, there's going to be a link in the description, okay, where you can actually book, where you can actually save your spot to be in the list and to receive this list, okay? You are going to start receiving this list on Monday, February 26th, okay? There's a $1 fee to save your spot, and I'm going to offer this to you for $27 a month, which is less than $1 a day to have a team of BA actually look at every single deal on the internet for you and give you a list and update a list every single day with deals that on websites where you can actually find profitable online arbitrage inventory, okay? So if you want to be part of this, if you want to receive this every single day, if you want to receive the list of products that I am checking every single day, link in the description, save your spot for $1, and then it's going to be $27 a month starting on Monday, February 26th. By the way, if you, and I just edited something on the, and I'm going to change this, it's fine, but if this is going to be the lowest price, okay, because the price is super low, the price is going to increase and it's going to be limited, okay? So if you want to save your spot, get the pre-sale for $1, and you'll get the first one. It's going to be the cheapest price ever. You'll get the first one, and no price will be locked in, by the way, okay? So let's get started sourcing, and let me just, edit this back. Here we go. So the first thing that I'm going to do every single day when I'm sourcing, that me and my team are going to do, is checking what I call this target list every single day. And by the way, if you want to learn how to build one yourself, and if you want to actually spend 1 hour a day doing it, but if you want to have something that extensive, you need to be at it like all day. If you want to spend all day to actually have this, or if you want to pay a VA to do this the whole day for you, you can. I have a free ebook in the description that will teach you how to do this. But yeah, so basically, we are going to try to find a sale that looks interesting, and in this list, I have the start date of the deal, the end date, and we have a lot of deals. We have more than 100 deals to check today, because and it's going to be more because he is currently working on it, by the way. But we have a lot of deals that started yesterday, and we are going to have a few that are starting today, and we are going to look at this. We are going to try to find something interesting, okay? So on Bath and Body Work, we have buy 3 get 3 free candle, and it's President Day, so we have a lot of sales, by the way, to check today. So let me, yeah, they do not ship in Belgium. I'm currently in Belgium, you guys know. So let's change this to the United States. Okay, switch side. And let's see if we can find something. So Bed Bath & Beyond, first of all, let's check if we can actually scan it with tactical arbitrage. So this would be the first thing that I would do. But I think it's with Tactical Expander, and I canceled my membership to Tactical Expander. I'm probably going to get it back soon. But let's check. Let's try to run a product search and see if Bath and Body Work is actually on their website. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to launch a search on tactical arbitrage. So let's do this quickly. It's quite easy to do. I have a few tutorials on how to use this tool. I'm going to enter the URL here, and we're going to see if it's working, because sometimes it's not working on tactical arbitrage. Some websites are not working, but we are going to do this. So it's buy 3 get 3 free. So it's pretty much 50% off. Let's see. It's going to be 50% off. The next thing that I'm going to look for gift card, and I'm going to do this on gift card wiki and on top cashback / gifts card. Okay. And I cannot access gift card wiki because I'm blocked. Okay. So it's not going to be something. We are not going to be able to be looking at gift card wiki, but we are going to try to see if we can actually get gift cards on top cashback. So let me load up the page. Here we go, and here we go. Shop gift cards. Let's look at this, and let's see if we actually have Bath and Body Work with 5.04%. Okay, so let's do this. 5.04% gift cards. Here we go. And how much cashback do we have? Usually I do not count cashback anymore because I use the cashback to pay for my personal bills. But let's see how much cashback we have. We don't have cashback on Rakuten, which is weird. Do we have cashback on top cashback? No, there's no cashback on this website, but I have 2% cashback with my credit card, so I'm going to add this here. And we are going to start running this search, okay? So that's the first thing. We are going to see if the search is actually going to run. Yeah, the search is actually running. So that's a good thing. So the first thing that I would do when I start sourcing is I would actually set up all my tactical arbitrage searches. And right now on the spreadsheet, there's no mention of if the website is on tactical arbitrage or not. This is something that we are going to add, and that will probably be set up by the time you get the spreadsheet, you actually sign up for it. Okay, so in the meantime, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for other websites. What I would do, by the way, as I said, is set up everything on tactical arbitrage, everything on tactical expander, and then start looking at the website that I can look at manually. Okay, but yeah, we are going to try to find another website to look at. Maybe Clarks. I do not source that much that Clarks that much, so this is something that we could look at. Maybe we can find something else. Let me see. Up to $100 of tech fines. No, I do not like this. Up to 50% on Sephora. It's nice, but let's do something else. Saks, you have 60% off, up to 6% off Pagoda. PetSmart, extra 25% off. So this is really interesting. Okay, this is something that you can set on tactical arbitrage and where you can actually find a lot of deals. So I personally have a ton of deals. And by the way, I cannot source on PetSmart, so I will tell you right now. But so if I see this sale coming up on PetSmart, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for aquarium filters, okay? And by the way, as I said, if you guys want to source those deals, I actually have like $300 something of gift cards that I cannot use because I'm outside of the US, but I could actually use them when I get back to the US. But if you want to buy those gift cards from me, I'll give them to you at 7% off. Okay, let's say 7% off. It's actually a great deal. Just contact me on Discord and we can do this. Okay, so whenever I see and this is stuff that you will build with experience. Okay, whenever I know that there's a 25% off is actually decent. Usually I used to buy them when it was 20% off. Okay, so there's an extra 25% off on those filters, and there's more sale, I think. Yeah, and there's buy one get one 50% off. So what I would do, if I were you, is I would go through those aquarium filters. A lot of them are profitable, okay? We are not going to waste time in this video actually going through every single one, but those are profitable products. Free leads for you guys. You do not have to say thank you. By the way, yeah, no. Actually, you do have to say thank you. You can thank me now. In the comments, go ahead and say thank you for the free leads. It's not even a free lead. Like, look at all the sizes, all that stuff. You're going to find a lot of profitable products. A lot of way to manufacture your margins. Gift cards, the extra 25% coupon, which is going to be super great, and the buy one get one 50% off on those filters. Okay, so use all this, and it is going to make it profitable. So quick leads, you see how fast it was for me to actually find a lead. But if you actually get the target list, you and your team are going to need to go through all those sales. These are all the sales that we are going to go through to actually find deals, okay? This is what we are going to do today, and some of them were already done because it's deals that were already on the past few days, because you can see the start date, but they are still on, okay? So all those leads, all those 100 leads are deals. Are deals that we are going to look at, and that you should look at if you receive this spreadsheet. If you do not want to look at all of them, you can select. By the way, you can go quickly through all of them. All of them are pre-selected to be on websites that, it's not like if you actually go on Rakuten and all that stuff and you actually start looking for deals. All those deals are deals on website where you can actually find online arbitrage products, okay? You do not need to go through bullshit like through a lot of data like Samsung, AT&T, all those websites that you do not need to look at. All those websites are websites that you can look at, okay? And you are going to receive a new list every single day with new deals. So yeah, you would need to go through all of them, and by going through all of them, you'll make a lot of money. But let's go back to tactical arbitrage, and it looks like Bed Bath and Body Work as pretty much nothing interesting. And is there really that many products? There's 394 products. I don't know why it keeps scanning, but there's really nothing interesting in the website. It checked 3,000 products and it did not find anything. So we are going to stop the search because this is some bull crap. Okay, and yes, I'm not swearing. So that's it, guys. That's the secret. If you want to find a lot of deals, a lot of leads, you need to have a lot of sales and a lot of promotion to look at, okay? If you want to actually build your own target list, I have a free ebook that teach you how. If you want to have the target list, if you want to have my team build your target list, less than $1 a day, save your spot in the group for $1 right now, and you will be charged $27 when we start sending them out on February 26th, okay? If you want to learn more about finding profitable products to sell on Amazon, watch this video, get on the list, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching.